Hi there! Welcome to the administrative side of Gilly. Today we're exploring the map feature, your visual tool for viewing and managing every 310 permit in Gilly. From the top header, select Maps. Here you can see all current and historical permits that are in the system. Choose how you want to view the map. Switch between default and satellite-based maps. Use the Go to My Location button to center the map on your area, or zoom in or out for a closer look at area details. The Layers key shows color-coded pins that represent the review status of each permit, so you can see at a glance which stage a project is in. When you hover over a pin, you'll see a quick summary of that permit. Click to access more details, such as the project's status, applicant information, and attachments. From the Permit Details panel, you can now view the media gallery to see project photos or files, or download the permit PDF with a single click. If you see a numbered or grouped pin, that means there are multiple permits in the same location. Examples include maintenance or recurring projects. Now let's look at the additional overlays. These layers were selected to aid in decision-making. You can turn on hydrology data, watershed boundaries, and other helpful datasets. The Stream filter displays all Montana streams, including custom or unknown names. To activate a layer, click the icon. Click it again to hide it. You can use additional filters to find specific permits by status, stream, or submission date. Filters apply instantly. There's no need to click Apply. To remove filters, hit the Clear All Filters button. Now, all of the permits and applications will reappear. If you want to see permits within a specific area, use the polygon tool. Click to activate it. Draw your boundary and Gilly will instantly display all permits inside that zone. Let's go back to gilly.org to find the public permits map. This map offers everyone an opportunity to explore pared-down permit data including location, applicant name, project purpose, and status. You can use the same filtering and layer tools to better understand work happening across Montana's rivers and streams. There is also a link so the public can submit complaints if they suspect a violation. Lastly, this map is also optimized for mobile, so it can be viewed on the go. And that's it. Have questions? Explore Gilly's helpful resources or contact info@gilly.org to learn more about getting set up with an administrative account. Thank you.